Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends and all of my colleagues. How are you all? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Allah. Today I tell you about my company Tricor Sourcing. Let's go to try say something about Tricor Sourcing. My dear friends, you know my company name is Tricor Sourcing. Tricor Sourcing is the leading buying house in Tricor Sourcing is our company. Tricor Sourcing, we are, you see, Tricor Sourcing buying house. About our company, a brief study about our company. Let's go. Tricor Sourcing is a leading garment buying house based on Bangladesh, specializing in apparel sourcing, product development, production management, and quality assurance. We act as a trusted bridge between international buyer and Bangladeshi manufacturer, ensuring a smooth operation from order placement to final shipment. 100% export ready-made garments, fabric and accessories supplier, selling agent, publicity agent, shipper agent, manager, broker commission agent, and independent agent, contractors agent, shipper agent, managers, brokers commission agent, indenting agent, construction agent, shipper agent, managers, broker commission agent. Migration consultant, advisor, stockist, and distributor or any person, firm or company, migration consultant, advisor, stockist and distributor or any person, firm or company. And generally to undertake and carry out agencies and generally work of any kind whatsoever and transact all manner of agency, booking commission, distribution and advertising business. Tricot sourcing, which is well established as manufacturing and sourcing in apparel with business transaction internally. Tricot sourcing is a customer-focused organization involved in manufacturing and sourcing apparel products. Each operating division has the same objective, which is superior quality and customer satisfaction. Keeping this in mind, Tricot sourcing has developed work method geared to ongoing attention to each and every step when expediting our project. Our procedure ensure to deliver a product within the set time frame with the superior quality result. We can offer a supply of wide range of ready-made garments in all categories, woven and denim bottom for all genders, kids and adults. We also produce circular knits for all genders, kids and adults. Type sourcing to establish, run manufacturing, export, import of all sort of garments of gents, ladies, girls, boys, toddlers, infants, and babies of all ages, and their allied product and buy product and supply sell the same in both local and foreign market by installation of imported and local machinery from imported and local raw material to produce various type of ready-made garments, band shirt, trouser, baby dresses, jeans pant, and shorts, sport dresses, women dresses, blouses and frock, t-shirt, top, international standard and design of export-oriented or any other ready-made garment to establish industry for skin print, emboss print, hand print, batik print, embroidery on all sorts of fabric, silk, nylon, synthetic clothes, sherry, lungi, bedsheet and bed cover to import raw material, spare parts, machineries of all sorts for embroidering and other printing work to import machineries of all types and spare and storage of all sorts as would be required for the factory. Finishing, knitting, and composite textiles mills and factories for specialized and ready-made garments in Bangladesh, and undertake all other business in connection therewith to carry on the business as import, export, and dealer of all general goods, textile items, knit and woven ready-made garments, and all garment accessories to carry on the business of thread, fabric dyeing, fabric printing, and finishing of textile products to establish and operate knit composite mills, textile mill, sizing, dyeing, and printing mill, washing plant, finishing mill, both for manufacturing of knit and woven fabric made of cotton, synthetic, woolen, rayon, and any other fabric fiber for 100% export purpose. Our commitment to quality, reliability, and ethical business practice has made us a dependable sourcing partner for global brand and retailers. My dear friend, to provide complete apparel and sourcing solutions that exceed client expectation through innovation, integrity, and excellence in every stage of the production process. We don't just source, we build solution as the definitive partner in Bangladesh. We optimize the entire supply chain and deliver one expensive solution for every customer need. Mission to be recognized globally as a leading apparel buying and sourcing partner, delivering quality, sustainability, and value to our client. As a Bangladesh premier sourcing collaborator, we create a seamless supply chain experience from concept to deliver. We add value at each step to fulfill our clients' need within the single platform. Our core services, product sourcing and development. Tricode sourcing has to be a dedicated global certificate technical design and design team working with closely with plans to study trends, ascending to give birth of new design tech pack, developing the design by sourcing the best material from the global market to competitive price, and finally ensuring 100% fit accuracy for having better comfortability, whether it's personalized to commercial fit. Merchandising order management. Coordinate all stages from sampling to shipment, ensuring on-time delivery. We have our understanding merchandising team in terms of time management or constantly a balance of support cycle that works for supplier across the globe to ensure the best sourcing option for you. Quality control and inspection, maintaining high standard through inline, midline, and final inspection, price negotiation and costing, secure competitive price through efficient sourcing and product planning, compliance monitoring, work only with the ethical, compliant, and socially responsible factory, logistic and shipment support, handle export documentation, trade coordination, and shipment follow-up. Our product range, we offer a wide selection of apparel in knit, woven, and denim categories. Knitwear, t-shirt, polo shirt, tank top, or a shirt, woven shirts, and blouse, trouser, short, skirt, jacket. Denim, my dear daughter, also tell something about you if you free when you will be when she will be free. Then he will come also and tell something about my company. Denim, jeans, jacket, shorts, and casual bottom, outdoor and sporter. My dear friend, if you tell something about this, then it will be better day-to-day activities. You see, my daughter always tell me and advise me if I tell that I can speak English fluently and expertly, then it will be different. I also believe that, and I also believe that, and also you see, if I try that, I will explain. Today, I feel that my fluency is better than the last day, and I am telling something about on the stage. So I'm proud for this and grateful to Allah that I can speak English fluently, smartly, as my daughter. You know, my daughter is a as a motivational speaker, as a uh, America with the American accent. So, what I am telling, our strengths. Try for sourcing strength. Our try strength, experience, and dedicated merchandising team, a strong network and comprehensive, transparent and ethical sourcing structure, in-house quality assurance and inspection team, time delivery, and fast effective solution, commitment and solution, and eco-friendly production. My dear friend, no more today. I will come again and tell something about my story. Before that, before saying goodbye, I tell you that why you choose us. Quality beyond question. We integrate quality at every step, ensuring flawless execution from concept to completion. Future focus innovation, we constantly refine our process to deliver next generation product and superior efficiency. Partner in our vision, we don't just take order, we collaborate to create custom solutions that driver our success. Ethical at heart, we are dedicated and sustainable manufacturing, making it responsible choose for our planet. No more today. Till then, goodwill and thank you for taking the time to learn about our governance buying house. We look forward to the opportunity to support your sourcing needs to deliver dependable quality assurance at every stage. Thank you. Goodbye. No more today. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you very much. আবার দেখা হবে।